Prepare your sports gear for a move by staging and labeling everything so you can unpack and play quickly at the new house. Start by taking an inventory of every item and grouping by sport so you know what will need special handling and what can be boxed. For bulky items like bicycles and rowing machines, partially disassemble handlebars and pedals, photograph the setup for reassembly, and place small hardware in labeled resealable bags taped to the item. Use padded bags for skis and snowboards, and wrap sharp edges in foam or old towels to prevent damage and scratching during transit. Deflate balls just enough to reduce volume while keeping shape. Then pack pumps and valves in a clearly marked box so you can reinflate on arrival. For clubs and bats, use protective sleeves and secure them together with straps to prevent rattling. And place them in long, narrow boxes or on a gear rack to avoid bending. Plan storage locations in the new home before moving day so movers know which items go to the garage, basement, or mudroom, and you avoid unpacking, then repacking. Common mistakes include throwing everything into generic boxes, which makes locating essential items difficult. Instead, label boxes by sport and list key contents on top so you can grab what you need first. Another issue is failing to protect delicate or sharp gear, which leads to scratches and broken parts. Use padded bags, foam, and towels, and never mix heavy items with fragile ones. A third problem is not mapping out storage in the new space, which causes clutter and lost items. Measure closets and garages ahead of time, decide where racks and shelves will go, and mark boxes with their destination to streamline setup. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like moving and organizing sports gear so we can find local help when needed. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips on storage solutions, recommended contractors, and real-world packing tricks.